We're going to Promise. Wala kaming pasok for 1 week. So that's time. We're gonna go to rounding. Time check is already 9:30. Promise kasi wala kaming pasok na naman bukas. Wala kaming pasok bukas ulit. So, it's 1 week. Kapul. Biglang lumabas ang tropa ng SBN. For 1 week, we don't have classes tomorrow. For 2 weeks. Oh, that's only 1 week. Except for... Hi, leaders! Are you happy? The class is tomorrow. So we're gonna go there. Wala lang. Enjoy kasi 1 week na wala kaming klase. Maliban lang sa holiday. It's a bad weather yesterday and today and tomorrow until Friday. Kasi nagsiding ang Dubai. So UAE, entire UAE. That is the cause of the bad weather. That's flooding. Grabe ang tubig sa mga daan-daan. Again, this is part of Shahama. It's very quiet. Quickly, girls. Sarado na. Sarado na. Yehe. Joke. Abri pa daw. So it means open. Still open. Nung narinig namin na walang klase at biglang lumabas. It's declared no classes tomorrow. All schools are closed until Friday. All schools in the UAE, yeah? Because of floods. It's a bad weather condition yesterday and today. Diba? Ang sarap ang pagkaramdam. That's really enjoyed the holidays. Ganito ang UAE. There is bad weather for 1 day at ang close na for how many days? Almost reaching the Hyperamis. See the ground. Yan ang resulta kahapon sa malakas na ulan. Tignan mo mga dalaga ng SBN. Almost reaching. Dyan kami palagi nagmamalingki. Every Saturday and Sunday. So ngayon, since wala kami trabaho bukas, gala-gala lang muna kami. Kami pupunta. Yan. 20 minutes walking from our accommodation. Mana ni siya? Ito yung hypermarket nearer to our accommodation. So, every Saturday and Sunday, dito kami namamalingki. So, we gonna check inside, but not allowed photography there. So, what we gonna buy today? Ang gaganda ng mga ladies. Kasi plano namin magbibiko bukas. So, we gonna buy coconut milk, sugar, brown sugar. We gonna use brown sugar. Okay. Uli na me. Uli na kami. Uli na. Uli na kami. Okay lang yan. Kasi malamig. Masarap man. Uy. Hello. Hello, hello. Going back to somewhere. Wait na me. Yehey! Mau ba ni ang abroad? Ito ba yung abroad? Oh, tingnan mo ang kapaligiran namin. Malayo sa kabihasnan. Disyerto. Hindi ito syudad ha. Hindi kami nasa syudad. Malayo kami. 1 hour away from the city. See? Ito ba yung abroad? Ang dami nito sa Pilipinas. Sa mga bulubundukin. Oh, yan. Sa gitna ng disyerto, may hyperamis. See? Okay. Busy ang mga sakyanan. Busy na. Oh, we're gonna cross the road sa zebra line. So, but in fairness, Yohama is a quiet place. See? Yes. We're gonna drop by there in Bacale. In fairness naman, it's a quiet place naman dito. Grabe ang uga namin dito. Pag binaha, baha kasi kahapon, kaya wala kaming trabaho. Oo. Baha, mabaha. Buha, oy! Smell. It smell not good. Oh, drainage. Siguro na-stuck yung drainage niya. Ito yung lugar namin. This is where we live. This place where we live. You see? When we go to the market, we're gonna walk for 20 minutes. See, hindi kami bumibili pag kulang ang aming kagamitan sa kusina. Like, yan. Ito na yung pabalik papunta sa amin. So, there's a lot of trees. Trees over here, there and here. Nagdakbay pa kami ng malagkit glutinous rice because we're gonna make sweet tomorrow. The glutinous, the grated coconut milk, and with brown sugar. So that's why we go outside. See? Nakikita ninyo yung mga ano dyan. My service. But there's a wedding. There's a service of lights. Yan daw ang sign of wedding. See? Pag may kinasal. It's mixing the colors, yellow and white colors. Why not in red? The wedding. Ay, hindi ka mga bahay dito. Ang lalaki. Walang tao. Look at this. It's haunted house. See? Walang tao. Pero maraming tao. Sa ilalim. Tingnan niyo ang sakyanan. Ang daming sakyanan. Siguro isang kadama lang dyan. Then, 2 to 5 ang pamilya. Reaching to our accommodation. Lapit na kami sa bahay namin. Ito yung neighboring places. Parang may ano ng kapihan dyan. Kapihan. It's a camper. It's not a camper. It's a refreshment. All Irish. Yan. Dito yung mga neighboring places of our accommodation. Okay. So this is our park, Hadika. We're gonna walk there sometimes of morning. Why it's so dark? There's no light. Look. Why the lights are off? So? Yan din. Napaka-quiet na bahay dyan.
Where's Dina? 4 days, no more stuff.
Yan lang ang binili namin. Dito na kami sa... Okay, bye-bye. I'm signing off. Say bye. Thank you.
Really?